Let's take a look here at /GC, and we'll blow this one up. And you can see in here that big panic right there. So here's that big pennant that it was trading in from the massive move. This was all a big corrective period in here from the giant upside move that occurred from Fed actions, that just drove these prices to the upside. Each of these impulses were really huge on the upside. We caught these so beautifully on the way up, and then it got into this corrective period. And you can see the as we look at this, you can see the harmonics in here. Here's where that big gold harmonic low is right there. It did the same thing, made the low right here, and that points right over here. Look how it divided itself in half. Here's the half cycle right here, and then the half cycle right in here. And if you look at the quarter cycles right there, you can see one right here. This was the flash crash. Often when something like that happens and it comes back, it's an anomalous low. So this is the minor cycle. This is the minor cycle. And this is the rally right in here and the minor cycle. And they're all 1, 2, 3, and silver coming down all into this time frame right over here. So while you had the panic in here, as it appeared that the inflationary forces were just dramatic from the war starting, it then is now giving it back and getting into these support confluences. I had thought that it was likely that it was going to pull back here to about 1900 2 months from now. Now you can see what's happened is it did it very quickly. Now when that happens, and I'm going to essentially downgrade it right now, it's more likely that what's going to happen is that you'll get a rally back up, but then you'll get to a lower low. So somewhere down to the bottom of this, which is about 1862, or potentially into this next support area right over here in that same timing, which is about 1855. So then you get over here, which is where the next big upsurge is likely to happen. Here's your resistances. They are now moving lower because this is lower than because it moved down right in here, and I didn't adjust this enough. So we'll be adjusting that down a little bit. When I look at the daily chart, again, you're going to see the beauty of those yellow ovals that come in those corrective phases, and here we're in one right now. This low where it comes down right over here into the support is likely to, you could get one more little bounce in here back up, but this actually looks to me like it's going to get lower again. So this is the 38 right here, and this is the the 50 right over there. So I'm just going to duplicate this rectangle and just bring it down one, and you can see that the target is likely right down over here at about 1845 sometime in these next couple of weeks. So there's some downside risk in here looking at the gold market. Wow, what an amazing panic, and that big shooting star that you see right there, the big engulfing pattern that occurred right there made that top, and now we're downgrading it a little bit again based on the how much it's moved down. The slim ribbon right there is about to go neutral before this can turn up, so it would have to cross to the upside over the 25 to give you the green arrow, and it looks to me like it's going to neutralize and turn blue before it has an opportunity to do that. Momentum here on the weekly is still positive, but all of this is really looking like the correction that we did expect is basically still timed out, just as our much earlier analysis.
Hello, fellow traders and technical analysts. This is Matt with askSlim. Now is the best time to check out what's happening at askSlim. We are in the midst of our once-a-year premium services preview, where we hold an open house and offer free access to some of our most popular premium services. Just go to askSlim.com and click on the Sign Up Now button on the top right of the home page. No credit card is required. The askSlim PSP features an opportunity to access world-class, unbiased technical analysis, cutting-edge trade planning tools. You can connect and learn from a dedicated analyst team, all trained by Slim. You receive professional-grade trader education inspired by Slim's 6 decades of trading experience as a floor trader and screen trader. Our methodology supports most trading styles, including intraday, short-term, and multi-week swing trading. Let's take a quick look at some of the impressive services you will have an opportunity to utilize during this time. The askSlim SIR Intraday Grid Live Daily Chart Stream. This is broadcasted on a daily basis from market open to market close. It is designed for intraday traders and delivers key insights into primary intraday momentum, key support and resistance zones, and high probability acceleration zones for the S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, and the Russell 2000. Next, we'll take a look at the askSlim S&P 500 multi-time frame chart stream. This is where you can learn how to apply our suite of custom indicators at multiple time frames to assist with determining directional bias, catching changes in directional bias, monitoring for extreme conditions, following momentum divergences, and identifying favorable trade setup conditions. We have a glossary and usability guides that are included, which go into deep detail around our custom indicator studies and also suggested guidelines and best practices for this service. Next, we'll look at our askSlim trade ideas. Trade ideas are specifically designed to support your trade planning. We believe trade planning should be a critical part of a trader's process. For this reason, each trade idea is accompanied by our custom weekly and daily charts and includes a template including many of the most essential components of a trade plan. Each trade idea will highlight favorable entry ranges, target zones, and suggested price levels where the idea would likely need to be reevaluated. And finally, I wanted to highlight our new askSlim cycle timing service, which is now in beta. We're really excited about launching this new service. Our askSlim methodology is a unique technical style that blends cycle analysis, momentum analysis, and swing high, swing low techniques. Because of this analysis, we are able to offer projections not only in time and price, but also in direction. Being able to project in time is a core aspect of our cycle analysis and the askSlim methodology. Finding and timing the next key low is, as everyone knows, no easy task. With the askSlim cycle low timing service, we increase those odds greatly. There are often opportunities surrounding the bottoming of cycles as well as the nesting of cycles at different time frames. Our new cycle low timing service is an essential tool in the askSlim arsenal and is designed to help our members identify and manage the risks and opportunities associated with lows that happen. That's all I have for today. Make sure to go to askSlim.com and sign up for our once a year premium services open house preview. I'm going to bring over the home page right here. You can click on this green button to sign up, learn more about all the various services that are available. And once you feel like you're ready to go, just click on the sign up now button, and that'll take you to the form that you fill out. There is no credit card required. That's all I have for today again, and I wish everyone all the best and great trading.